I gotta get a battle, man. I gotta battle somebody up here. Like, leave a comment, man, if you want me to battle somebody, like do a little Touge run. Oh shit, that's not a Mustang. Uh-oh, we got a Civic Type R. Civic Type R appeared in the wild. That boy was cooking. I low-key, kind of want the Civic to go first so y'all can see. Oh, he's on my ass, bro! He right there! We got ourselves a battle! Damn, he's right there, bro! Right there. You right there. This section is kind of hard, bro. Get me in the hardest section. I think I'm gonna let him pass me and I'm gonna see if I can follow him. That boy is gone. Civic Type R. Civic Type R ain't no joke. Damn, he left me. He left me. He left me. He left me. I can't push that hard, bro. I'm dancing around, you know what I'm saying? Like, damn. '96 Eclipse GST versus whatever year that Civic Type R is. Hey, you know what I'm saying? That's a very valid opponent. I can't be mad at that. Damn, that boy is gone, fellas. That boy is gone. I don't even see him anymore. I have been cooked. Your boy got cooked. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. She still needs work. She still needs work. You know what I'm saying? Suspension isn't there yet. It's okay, but damn. Hey, sometimes you get reminded out here. Let's talk about that Civic Type R battle. Now that was dope. Was funny. Now you see, like, I don't take that, like, I don't get butthurt. Like, you know, I have pride. You know, I have pride in myself and my ability to drive up there in the canyons. You know, like, I'm always like, I could take you, let's go. But hey, a lot of people that go up on that mountain, they can drive. They can drive, because that road is not an easy road. It's pretty tight. And I took off and he was behind me, and I was like, all right, let's see if he's gonna be on my ass or am I gonna leave him. Dude was right there with me the whole time, and then eventually he was on my ass. You know what? Screw it. I was like, there's no point anymore. We know like you're on my ass. Okay, let's switch and let's see if I can follow you. And so that's why I pulled over, let him go in front, so I could try and follow him. And boy, man, and it just goes to show you, man, like newer cars, they're engineered so much better than, well, obviously, but so much better than in 1996. So you know, I can't even get mad at that. But I'm always like, let me see if I can outdrive this Civic Type R or outdrive this M3, you know, or this Porsche. And you know, I have, but the drivers they were not that skilled. If you have a newer car and a skilled driver, they're gonna shit on me all day long. But it's just fun to try.